How do you zoom in?
With your fingers?
It won't let me.
Oh, well then it won't let you.
He's almost under. He's about to fall asleep. He's almost under. Won't be long. He's almost done.
Everybody has a sixth sense.
That's coming up on Tuesday.
He's gonna call mom and put